Walrus. It's built on the Sui blockchain.
Sui. I like Sui.
They managed to scale down the amount of nodes needed to be able to store the data much more efficient than Filecoin and Airwave. So they say they have like a big boost there, which also reduces cost a lot because you need less storage. So
do we know anything about the team?
Yeah, this is interesting. I wonder how you feel about this. So the team, it's founded by Miston Labs. So the whole team, the founders are the same team as Sui.
Have they raised any money? Any funds? Any VCs?
Yeah, 140 million they raised. A16Z, Electric Capital, Comma 3 Ventures, like some big names in there.